About this property comfortable accommodations, Kichijoji Excel Hotel Tokyu in Tokyo offers comfortable rooms with air conditioning, private bathrooms, and modern amenities. Each room includes a bath, bidet, hairdryer, refrigerator, free toiletries, shower, slippers, carpeted floors, and a TV.Dining Experience. The family-friendly restaurant serves European cuisine in a modern ambience. Guests can enjoy lunch and dinner in a welcoming environment. A buffet breakfast is available each morning. Convenient facilities. The hotel features a fitness room, elevator, 24-hour front desk, housekeeping service, coffee shop, full-day security, and luggage storage. Paid on-site parking is available. Prime location, located 19 miles from Tokyo Haneda Airport. The hotel is a short walk from Kichijoji Art Museum and Gessoji Temple. Nearby attractions include Parco Kichijoji Shopping Center and Inokashira Park Zoo. Guests appreciate the convenient location and excellent service.